the unboxing of a Fieldsport micro dot. Alright, it's going to have both red and green, and apparently the red is supposed to be off just by a little bit. Alright, so let me get it open right now. Alright, so obviously both my hands are occupied. I don't have any tripod or anything like that. I'm using my phone. Alright, comes with a little instruction booklet, battery, hex key, and the red dot itself. Alright, let me take this out and then we'll continue from there. Okay, here it is outside the packaging. Really nice. So here's what we need to know is where to put the battery. And as you can see, all we have to do is pay attention to number 4, 5, and 6, which is located right. Get that focused really nicely. Hold on. There we go. See, 4, 5, and 6. Is that 4, 5? No, not 4. Just 5 and 6. Okay. So let's go ahead and install that battery onto here. So it should be, again, 5 and 6 right behind here. Okay. Now it looks like we needed a screwdriver, but I actually just undid this with my hand. All right. So it's going to be an easy install. All right. All right. Here it is. Alright, there's on green. Alright, it's actually really nice. I'm sure you guys have seen all the reviews on it already. I can't put it into action. I haven't gotten my AR yet. So funny.